Hello my dear children of playgroup. So how are you all? So today what we will do? We'll learn about some of the birds. Right? I'll show you the picture and we'll come to know which bird is this. Fine? So come, let's begin. So children, today we will learn types of birds. Okay? Let's see the first one. The first one is pigeon. Okay? Now pigeon, it is in grey color or white color, and many people they keep pigeon as their pet. Okay? The next picture is the picture of a parrot. Parrot, look at the beak, the red color beak and green color body. Even the people keep parrot as the pet. Which bird is this? Parrot. Now let's move to the next bird. Next bird is sparrow. This bird is very tiny, very small. Okay? This is called which bird? Sparrow. Okay, let's move to the next one. The next one is peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Right? Which bird is this? This is peacock. Fine. And when it dances, it looks very pretty. Peacock. Right? When they dance, when the peacock dance, it really looks very beautiful. Peacock. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Hen. This is what? This bird is called what? Hen. And what do we get from hen? We get eggs from hen, isn't it? Okay, and then where do the hen lives? Hen lives in coop. Remember? I think we have done this, okay, when we were doing homes of animals. This is hen. Which bird? Hen. Now, let's move to the next bird. Duck. Which bird is this? Duck. And what is the sound duck makes? Quack, quack. Right? Which bird is this? Duck. And look at the feet. How is the feet? And you will see them swimming in the pond, water. Okay. Many people keep duck also at home. Now let's move to the next bird. Which is this bird? Crow. Which bird it is? This is crow. And what is the sound crow makes? Caw, caw, isn't it? Black color crow. Fine. Now let's move to the next bird. This is owl. Which bird is this, children? This is owl. And owl is seen at night. They come out at night and look at their eyes, their big round eyes. Which bird is this? This is owl. I hope you have come across with few of the birds. Right? You must have seen few of the birds around. And so we have learned the name of the birds today. So, take care of your health. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye children.